Hey there, hobby humans. Let's talk about this delightful little sun-drenched resin crew from HobbyFan, HF568.
I bought this like long time ago, donkey's ages.
A gang of 8 delightfully detailed, vaguely grumpy dudes who are definitely over the heat and probably questioning their life choices in the desert.
I don't think I've even opened this bag yet to look at these things. But they are an Africa Corps crew for an Flak 18.
This set was made to party with the AFE Club's Flak 18, kit number AF35088. But let's not get exclusive. These guys could easily crash a Flak 36 get-together too, whether it's in Africa or Italy. Very versatile, like a tactical cargo pant. What's in the sand-colored box? 8 glorious figures cast in resin smoother than Ryan Reynolds in a rom-com. The yellowish resin is top-notch and only has those teeny-weeny casting blocks and a few wimpy seams to deal with. Unless your idea of fun is sanding legs and arms for hours. If so, hey, you do you. Poses? Check. Sass? Double check. You've got dudes doing all sorts of flak-related things, holding 88mm shells like they're showing off their gym gains, lugging a 3-round ammo case like it's their 5th trip back from Costco, or peering through a rangefinder like they're trying to see into the future. Spoiler, it's hot, sandy, and loud. Fashion show, Africa Corps style. This set comes with a wide variety of hot heatwave outfits. 4 fellows rocking shorts and regretting the sunburn. 4 stuck in long pants, send help. A sweet mix of tunics, shirts, and 2 fully topless lads showing off sculpted torsos. That'll make your X-Acto knife blush. 5 field caps, 2 bare noggins, and 1 brave soul sweating it out in a steel helmet. Spoiler, it's a separate piece, be gentle with it. That rim is thinner than my patience for sanding. Details, baby. The sculpt work, chef's kiss. Collars, pockets, tunic seams, anatomical muscles, even face detail that says, I've seen things. Mostly sand. Assembly? Mostly easy peasy with a side of rage. Bare-chested bros will need a little bit more finesse. You'll have to blend those seams like a makeup artist on Oscar night. But hey, the result is worth it. Extras? Not included, because of course. So, while these guys are posed to hold ammo, a rangefinder, and baskets, they don't actually get those? HobbyFan's motto must be, you want props? Bring your own. Grab your 88mm rounds from the AFE Club's AF35087 set, or dig into the old stash from Tamiya or Dragon's Flak kits. Sharing is caring, especially when it comes to rangefinders and shoulder supports.
So we'll have to figure out which one is which.
Painting guide? Laugh out loud, nope. Unless you count the box top photo. But come on, you're a big kid now. You've got the internet, Panzer Colors book, or that one guy on the forum who paints like Rembrandt on Red Bull. Conclusion, this is a spicy meatball of a figure set with excellent detail. It's perfect for adding dusty realism to your Flak gun diorama. You'll need to source the props and do a little cleanup, but hey, no one said model building was supposed to be easy. Recommended? Heck yeah, these guys bring the heat. Literally.
ลือ2 ล้านกว่าของคนลาก็ให้มันเหลวเขาก็ขาดเนี่ยเรามึงอย่าขาดขึ้นขาดแล้วมึงนี่กูสิลุยเลยว่า